This video will show you how to replace the lock lever and bezel on a Siteline EX awning window. First, grip the lever and pull straight out toward the interior until it snaps off. Use a putty knife and gently pry on each end of the bezel until you're able to remove it from the slot. To install your new bezel, carefully press it into the slot until it snaps into place. Slide the new lever onto the lock until it snaps into place. Finally, unlock and lock the window and check for proper operation. For additional information and complete written instructions for tasks depicted in this video, visit www.JELD-WEN.com. Or if you have questions, call us at 1-800-JELD-WEN.